welcome back to my channel. Look at notification, that's down that button. Notification, give me a huge thumbs up. If you want to talk to us, make sure you stay notified with us, and so that you can see more unboxing, LOL, dolls, and stuff. So, and this is another fashion brush. First layer. This is season 3. First layer. This is the first layer, and it has 3 series, and it has 3 wraps to unwrap. What happened?
Nothing. Keep going.
3 wraps to open.
What happened?
These things like poke my nail when I go to open them. That's exactly what happened to me on my other video.
I got Harmony Jr. behind you. I'm seriously thinking about doing a pour
Oh, can I watch it?
because I really want to do that sunset.
You keep forgetting to give me my cough drop.
What'd you get?
I don't know, Mama. Oh. Glasses!
Oh, she got some stunner shades. She got some stunner shades.
That's what they are.
I mean, she got some glasses. That's what Mommy calls them. Stunner shades.
Stunner shades.
I mean, she's stunting on them.
Guys, if your fingers do not fit the shoes, make sure you take these glasses, take the little tip, and use them to get your stuff out of your shoe, because it really does have.
So that's a nice little tool that they added on there.
But it's not actually a tool. I really had the idea.
Well, that's good. It's good you shared with other people.
Yeah, indeed. Do you guys know this? Yeah, double Johnny worth me what? Not for long. You probably don't know those songs for kids.
No, I don't.
Where's the other shoe? We need to dig for the shoe, guys. The other shoe. Because the shoe's not in here. But that's what the bathing suit looks like. It's so cute.
I think I see it. It's over here. All the way at the bottom. So no, yeah, you're right. These guys is left, yeah.
What?
Nothing.
No. I found it. Now let's dig for it. Take the end of it. See this, please? Got it. Dig for it.
That works.
Another tool. I mean, I thought it was going to be like diggy. Okay. Put that top over there.
So that's it.
Yupper.
Can we see it on her?
Oh. I guess this is the review, and it says LO.